Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best landscape gardening ideas that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Fine Gardening Beds and Borders, Design Ideas for Gardens Large and Small by Fine Gardening. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who are just getting started with landscaping and want to create eye-catching, low-maintenance garden beds. With its affordable price tag of $15, it's an excellent resource for homeowners on a tight budget or those looking for quick inspiration. The book is compact and easy to follow, offering practical design advice for gardens of all sizes. It features a variety of layouts, plant combinations, and step-by-step instructions to help you bring your ideas to life. While there are only 2 images included, they're well chosen and provide clear examples of the concepts discussed. However, if you're someone who prefers a lot of visual aids, you might find this offering a bit limited. In terms of value, this book is a no-frills guide that delivers exactly what it promises: simple, effective design ideas. It's ideal for beginners who want straightforward advice without being overwhelmed. The downside is that it lacks the depth and region-specific details that some of the other options on this list provide. But for $15, it's hard to beat the accessibility and practicality of this guide. At number 3, we have the Midwest Home Landscaping 4th Edition, a fantastic guide for homeowners in the Midwest region of the United States. This book is priced at $23.24 and provides tailored landscaping advice for states like Illinois, Michigan, and Ohio, among others. It's a slightly more premium option, but its regional focus justifies the price. The book offers 46 landscape designs and over 200 plant recommendations, suited specifically for Midwest climates. What I love about this book is how it combines inspiration with practicality. The 16 included images are vibrant and well-curated, giving you a clear picture of what's possible in your outdoor space. Additionally, the step-by-step project guides make it easy for even novice gardeners to tackle landscaping projects with confidence. The downside, similar to the Mid-Atlantic guide, is its regional specificity. If you're not in the Midwest, this book may not be as helpful. However, for those living in the region, the attention to detail and focus on climate-appropriate plants make it an invaluable resource. Its slightly higher price point is well worth it for the depth and quality of information provided. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Encyclopedia of Landscape Design by DK, priced at $22.86. This comprehensive guide is perfect for anyone who wants to take a deep dive into landscape design, covering everything from planning and layout to planting and maintenance. What makes this book stand out is its breadth. It's an all-in-one resource that caters to both beginners and experienced gardeners. With 14 high-quality images, the book provides plenty of visual inspiration alongside detailed instructions. The design and build quality of the content are exceptional, reflecting DK's reputation for creating visually engaging and informative books. Whether you're planning a small backyard garden or a more elaborate outdoor space, this book has you covered. The only drawback is that its general approach may not be as region-specific as some of the other books on this list. However, if you're looking for a versatile and comprehensive guide that can adapt to various settings and climates, this is a fantastic choice. The combination of quality, depth, and accessibility makes it a close contender for the top spot. Finally, at number 1, we have Rock Gardening, Reimagining a Classic Style by Joseph Tykonevich. As the premium option on this list, priced at $29.42, this book is for those who want to explore a unique and timeless landscaping style. Rock gardening isn't just a guide, it's a creative journey. The book delves into the art and science of designing rock gardens, blending natural aesthetics with practical techniques. With 14 stunning images, it provides ample inspiration for transforming your outdoor space into a serene and sophisticated retreat. The author's expertise shines through in the detailed instructions and plant recommendations, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced gardeners. The higher price point may be a deterrent for some, but the value it offers is undeniable. This book is ideal for homeowners who want to create a distinctive landscape that stands out. Whether you're working with a large yard or a compact space, rock gardening provides the tools and inspiration to make it extraordinary. Its focus on a specific style and its premium quality make it the top choice on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.